Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best hand planes that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best hand planes. Hand planes are a vital part of any woodcrafter's set of tools. But while there are a wide range of hand plane types out there, you will rarely need more than 3 or 4. Hand planes are often also called bench planes, although they are different from an actual bench-mounted wood plane. What follows are 8 of the best hand planes for almost every task, with our picks for the best model. Number 5. Woodworking Exquisite Work Hand Planer. Polishing and deburring woodworking surfaces adopted of premium wood, fine grain, every tool is a work of art, blade is, sharp or exquisite work, highlight the quality. Main features. Made of high-quality steel. Strong and durable. Suitable for cutting. Number 4. Mini Cat for 3.2-inch hand plane. Smooth ebony plane body, durable and not hurt your hands by splinters. Little steel nail at the front. You can smooth or chamfer much more steadily by fixing angle with another hand on the steel nail. Main features. High quality. Scientific design. Wide application. Number 3. Mini Hand Planer 3/2-inch red adjustable. The small trimming planer is made of 304 stainless steel, the surface is rust-proof, strong and durable, and the surface blade of the small trimming planer is made of steel, sharp. Main features. Easy to carry. Ergonomic design. Durable material. Number 2. Meow-Ka Woodworking Edge Corner Plane. Suitable for trimming and chamfering all kinds of wood. The cutting depth can be adjusted according to the working requirements. The appearance of red and black looks very comfortable. Main features. Lightweight. Easy to install. Durable and sturdy. Number 1. Stanley Hand Planer Black. Stanley has been responsible for unlocking new levels of user performance through creating hand tool innovation thanks to a continued focus on the excellence employee in business. Main features. Manually adjustable. Long-lasting protection. Lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.